Well, to go as Coach John Wooden's guest, as the NFL Combine insider fan, however you want to call it, it's been really awesome. He was definitely gracious enough to have us go with him, and when we got in, they treated us like we were part of the NFL. Like, we got in, we were able to go to a brunch that was hosted by the facility there at Lucas Oil, and when we went in, we were able to view the top quarterback prospects of this year, receivers and running backs.
You know, the Combine isn't open to public. You can't get in if you are, even if you're a scout or an agent, like you have to have special credentials. It's not open to the public, and so this experience never would have been able to have if I hadn't come to this conference, and it's just absolutely incredible that they can offer something like this.
Because of SMWW, I was allowed to go to the Combine. It provided a great opportunity for me to meet wonderful people that's involved in the business. We were able to observe the Combine and watch the quarterbacks, receivers, and running backs perform their drills. For me, it was exciting to see the 40 drill live in person. You get an opportunity to see that on TV, but it's not like seeing it live. They also provided great guest service to us. They treated us well, was able to have a brunch, and they were also provided insight on how the business was as far as the Combine itself. So it was a great experience for me, and I thank SMWW for that.
So they gave us a nice little headset. We got to listen to the simulcast from NFL Network, and pretty much we're able to track every single top prospect that's been here. So the course I took was scouting, football GM scouting. It tied in perfectly to the experience we just had here at the Combine. Not everybody's able to go, not everybody's able to go inside and be a part of that experience.
It was definitely a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Hopefully I can capitalize on that and learn as much as possible, go back and be re-energized by that experience.
Thank you so much, Dr. Lashbrook and John Wooden. I really appreciate everything you guys are doing. Hopefully I can be a success story to come back and speak at one conference like this.